Yo, what up? It's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I'm back again with another analysis, guys. My bad. You know, I don't think I don't think you guys do appreciate me always giving complaints. I know it's bad. Please bear with me, and we're getting the. It's been ups and downs. I know. I'm doing this for you guys at the end of the day. Just to just to share my analysis with somebody out there who's like seeing things in a different way, and of course I'm also seeing things in a different way. So when two minds get together, it's like boom, we capitalize on this money making scheme. So first pair of the day. Oh, before I start, go like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Make sure you share with your friends, your family, your cat, your dog, even your I don't. But then that's not the point. The point is make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because you'll never know when I'll drop. Any time, any day, I would be dropping. And yeah, that's just about it. Let me get to today's analysis. Not waste any much more of your time. First pair of the day is US30, my favorite. Okay, okay, okay. Might take a bit long. So this is a forward time frame. This is what we're looking at. So we're looking at a push to the upside, push to the downside, pushing to the upside, we're correcting, and now we continue all the way to the upside. So according to me, this I know we can see this in different ways, right? If I take this just for control, I'd say according to my judgment, I can confirm and say I'm looking to see the market coming to touch this trend line. This is definitely what I was looking at when I saw the market turning here, right? But at the same time, I saw a push, a correction, a push, and a bigger correction coming back to the very same area right here. Let me go to a 1H, right? Coming back to the very same area, which is right here, the busy area, the busy area. And if I take this to the highlight to you, this is the busy area right here. So all the time the market gets here, there's a strong reaction when the market gets here. It's either to the downside or from the outside upside. So let me take this out. Okay, let me first start by taking this out here. Take this, and this, and this, and okay. No. I have to put that back in. Okay, guys. So I don't know if you remember, but we had something like this right here. If you don't, make sure you watch our previous videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. So we had something like this here. We caught our buys here, shot to the upside. The market came back down, thought this retest, entered more buys. Market took us out. But I'm certainly sure most of y'all have closed maximum profits from this move all the way here. It's a very good move. So the market broke below, came back to test, and I saw a correction. So the correction was boom to the downside or to the upside, down, up, down, and then I entered a sell here. My stop exactly like this. This was my stop. So the market shot all the way to the upside, took me out. But I was like, okay, probably it's finishing off the correction. And then I waited for the next candle. The next candle was very bearish and then it shot all the way down. Didn't break this area here. I waited for the following candle. It shot and break. As soon as it closed below with a rejection, I didn't care what was happening then. Entered my cells. And then more cells in this case because the market was just below my area. And then markets corrected, just a small correction right here. If I go down to my 5 minutes time frame, you'll see a pretty nice correction right here. Correction, more cells, and the market shot all the way down. So the market, when it got to this area right here, 30 minutes time frame. So when the market got to this area right here, when the market got to this area, I saw this move. I was like, boom, no, this the market is in this area now. This one here, the busy area, right? So 100% of the chances when it 100% of the chances when it gets to this area, it will react anyhow. And when it reacted, guys, I don't know if you can see, but this is a 15 to 15:30, and then you can tell that this move from 14:30 to all the way to 1700. You can see that the market decided to be bullish all the way up there. So the market started giving me this reversal pattern. As you can see, reversal pattern, are we capitalizing? For sure, for sure. Even though I was looking for that bearish movement all the way to the trend line, right? So I was like, okay, the market is in a busy area. It might react anyhow. And then I saw this pattern. I was like, let me close maximum profit right here, exactly right here. I closed maximum profit. And then the market started giving me this, giving me that. And then I went all the way down to 15 minutes time frame. When on 15 minutes time frame, this is where I entered my buys, my buy entries because of a reversal. See this trend line here, and then boom. As soon as the market closed above, I waited for a retest. It gave me a retest, and boom. That was me entering a buy all the way here with my stop, very tight stop just below the previous correction right here. And then boom, market shot all the way up, and then I was profitable for today. So today has been a profitable day. I don't know if you guys seen this, and if you haven't seen this, if you didn't, then it's my fault because I didn't give analysis for yesterday. But then at the end of the day, I'm sure you guys are very much aware, and I've taught you well. If you don't think you understand any of these patterns, make sure you comment what you'd like to see and what you don't like seeing, and what is it about me that you hate the most. And I'm pretty sure I love you guys. So, the market is above this area right now. What is our next move? So, I'll make sure that I move all of this, all of this, all of this. I hate moving this line right here. But yeah, let me keep this one here, right? Let's keep this one here, and then let's keep that one here, right? So the market's above the trend lines, above the key area. Right now, I don't mind entering a buy. Really, I don't mind entering a buy, finishing off that move. Because remember, our stop on this move was just below here, even though we managed to close everything because of the movement, this movement right here. So I wouldn't mind putting my stop just here, waiting for the market just to pull back a little more, because obviously it's above the trend line, it's above the key area. So just wait for the market to pull back just below here, just down just a bit, and we're taking it all the way to the upside, right? And then let me move on to our next pair, which is USDcad. Whoa, amazing. So in USDcad, guys, I did give you this analysis, and reason why I haven't came back again is because it has been playing the doobity goobity goop, the doobity goobity goop. So we had a push, very bullish, impulsive push, and then it's followed by a correction, and then the market broke, came back to test, and then boom. So unfortunately, on this one, I couldn't really capitalize. I couldn't really capitalize simply because of this area right here, right? I was very skeptical because of this area right here. So I decided, you know what? Let me just leave this move. But as soon as the market break above, because what we've seen all along is that when the market gets this area, it shoots down. When the market gets to this area, it shoots down. And this point, what am I seeing really for the market to turn? It will have to this be the one, two, a big, double top formation, right? Big double top formation. So for me, uh, that's what would really make me very skeptical. And of course, we have this area. So at this point, I'll wait for the market just to see if the market can respect. But at this point, with this, already I can tell you that the market is not respecting is respecting this support area, this resistant area. That's why it's rejecting, and it broke the double touch bottom formation here. It broke it. So what I can really say is like a small push to retest, and then all the way here is our TP. Right there, it's our TP before the market can really actually gain some more momentum to break this area. Exactly right there, exactly like that. Right? So let's just wait for this move. You can enter a small sell, have a tight stop. Make sure you catch it all the way to this area right here. All the way to this area right here. Get a candlestick confirmation before you can actually buy. That's it for Usdcad. Let me move on to my next pair. Usdjpy. Usdjpy. A bit disappointing. As you can see, the charts are almost clean. Almost clean. Usdjpy can be very, 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 very. But nevertheless, what are we seeing on USDJPY? And higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, lower low. We broke the previous low, broke this low. So we're all the way here, and that's it for USDJPY. Obviously, be it the market respects this area, we're buying. We're buying. We're buying all the way to the 90% rule. Let me put it to the peak, right? So already, what are we seeing? Candlestick confirmation. I can buy. I can buy. Let's just wait to see this next candle, how it closes. If it closes bullish, and then we buy. We instantly buy all the way to this peak here. That's it, guys, for our analysis for today. I'll make sure I give you analysis for tomorrow as well, guys. I'll make sure. Shared or no shared, I'll make sure. And that's it for today, guys. It's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself. And go like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not. Make sure you do the good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. Turn on that notification bell, and on the link on the description below, there's a link to one of our best brokers in South Africa, XNES, and click that link, deposit as little as $10, and I trust you can start trading, especially if you're a beginner wondering how much you can start trading with. As little as $10, click that link, and then you're ready to go. Here in South Africa, that $10 is about 160 rands, and I mean, I'm sure you can get that anywhere. I'm sure you can get that anywhere, bro. That's it for today's video.